Oh, thank you, Carolina Suf. That's very sweet of you. Anyway, that gets me to the point of my life today. And that is a few days ago, a video was suggested for me on YouTube. And the title was. Ooh, I have some of this information on my phone actually, which I'm using. But it was called Mom Launches Campaign to Treat Her Son's Tumors. It was posted by Truly. It's part of their Born Different series. And I have watched Afrimax, which is one of the channels on YouTube. They post a lot of medical videos out of Africa. I really like their page. And again, back to this Truly post, it really touched me because it shows this dark-skinned mother and her son, and unfortunately her son has some really bad tumors that have deformed his face. It truly touched me, especially being a new mom, and so I've felt compelled to donate to their GoFundMe page that they've set up. It's my first time doing this, but I really felt compelled to contributing to help someone who's not the main reason for doing it, but I think we don't do that enough in the dark skin community. So I was really touched by their story and want to contribute. Hopefully those of you that are tuned in will feel compelled to check out their story and also help them out. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to say regarding the story. It's fairly easy. You just go to the YouTube page, find the video. Underneath there's the GoFundMe link. You click on it. It's just a few steps really to make a donation. Any little bit helps. The more people that donate, the easier it'll be for them to find the help they need for this boy. That's it. I'll be posting the link on my Facebook, Twitter. What else do I have? I'll be posting it on my other social media, so hopefully you'll find me on the other pages that I have. On here I'm under Satila Gad, but on my other social media it's the other way around. It's GAD space SATELA. If you find me on Facebook, Twitter, you'll find the link there also. And that's it. Oh, thank you, Carolina. I really appreciate it, Carolina Suf. I try. I will try to do this again at some point tomorrow, but I'll be posting this segment on YouTube also. That's another social media I forgot to mention that I do have. You can find me on YouTube also, and I will be posting it on there. You can find the link there also. If you've stuck with me this far, thank you. This is the GoFundMe that they've set up. You just have to click on donate now. Put the amount that you'd like to give. Hit continue. Choose the method you want to give the money. As you can see, I chose credit or debit card, but they also have Venmo and PayPal as an option. Fill out the information and that's it. On the next page, there's a thank you, and they advise that you spread the word. So if you have friends and family that you think would be interested in donating, you can share with them. And you can also go ahead and leave a comment, some positive words for the child and his family. And that's it, y'all. I did leave a comment. I said we all need help to carry our weight sometimes. May your weight be lighter. May your child heal.